Hello, everyone, and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning about the three types of Java code and what makes them so different. Multiple packages can be created based on the project. Standalone applications end with .jar. Web-alone applications end with .war. Enterprise applications ends with .er. In a standalone application, it contains only Java code. It also contains only Java classes. The file extension ends with .jar, for example, app.jar. In web applications, it contains both Java code and web content. The web content that it contains is CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, as well as videos and images. The file extension ends with .war, for example, app.war. Enterprise applications contain multiple modules plus Java code and web contents. These modules include or these modules could range from logins, account creation, dashboard, and money transfer. The file extension is .er, for example, app.er. Thank you for watching today's video. I see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section down below. I'll see you all in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Lewis.